Are you ready to learn about a magical treat? How about Butterbeer Cookies? Follow me and let's get cooking. You need a bowl, a stick of room temperature butter, half a cup of brown sugar, quarter cup of regular sugar. Grab your magical tanning device and let's mix it together. 1 egg and some vanilla. Mix until just combined. Half a teaspoon of baking powder goes in and a quarter teaspoon of salt. 1 box of instant butterscotch pudding mix. 1½ cups of flour. Mix it all together. Fold in half a cup of butterscotch chips and ½ cup of white chips. Cover it and chill it for about an hour. I need to get some tablespoon-sized balls and place on a tray about 1 inch apart. I'm gonna bake these in a 350-degree oven for about 9 to 11 minutes. Allow them to cool on a wire rack. Butterbeer Cookie! Simply magical. How do you get a magical creature into the house? Through the Griffin door!